Good afternoon everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So welcome back to our online session of Standard 2 subject English Grammar. In previous video, we have learned about joining words. So in that, we have learned how to join the sentences by using and but. So and is used to join two words and two sentences together which are similar. And whereas but we use to join two sentences which are opposite to each other. So hope all of you understood the topic very well. Now let's start today's our new topic, that is words that sound the same. Today's our new topic is words that sound the same. So let's see few examples of this. So what you see in this picture, students? There is a girl and a boy holding two words nameplate. Yes, this girl is holding one eye word nameplate and another ear. Then the boy is holding in one hand eye and the other hand ear. So when we will read these words eye and eye, ear and ear, so what you feel, students? It sounds same. Yes or no? Eye and eye, ear and ear. When you will read these words, it sounds same. But can you see the words of the given words are the same meaning? Are the same spellings? No. So that's today's our topic is words that sound same. So when you will read the words I and I, in the first one I and I means what? You are telling something yourself. I am a girl. I am 6 years old. Whereas I, E-Y-E, it's a part of your body. So both the words when you will read, that is sounds same. But when you will see both the words, they have the different meaning and the spellings also different. I and I, many words in English sound the same. When you will read the words in English, it seems that it sounds that same. But both the words have different meaning and different spellings. I and I. I, it means that you are telling something about yourself, whereas I is a part of your body. So both I and I are the different spellings as well as different meanings. But when you will read, it sounds same. Different spellings but with the same sound, different meanings. So when you will read the words in English, always the sounds are same but their meanings and their spellings are different. For example, see, can you see here? Hair and air. So when you will read both the words, it sounds same. Air and air. So both are same? No. Both the words are different and their spellings are different. Why? This air, everybody have hair on your head? Yes. And that air is a name of animal. Is it, students? So when you will read the words air and air, it sounds same but their meanings and their spellings are totally different with each other. So let's see few examples of this topic. So what do you see here? A boy is seeing. So in the next picture, see. When you will read the words see and see, it sounds same but both the words have different meaning. For this see means that to look something, yes, and that see it means the So when you will read both the words see and see, it sounds same but their spelling and meaning are different. We'll see the next one. So what do you see here? Can you read this word? Break and break. So when you will read both the words break and break, it sounds same but both the words have different meaning and different spellings. How is it? Let's see. This brake, it's a device. It's used to stop a car or a bike. Yes? And that brake is to break something. To break a glass, cup. Yes? So the meanings are different and the spellings also different. But when you will read both the words, it sounds same. Break, break. You see the next one? What do you see here? Mail. And the next picture, mail. So when I will read both the words mail and mail, it sounds same. But both the words have different meaning and different spellings. So in this mail, M-A-I-L, and in that mail, M-A-L-E. So the spellings are different. And mail means to post the letters. And that mail is a masculine gender. It's a man. So both the words have different meaning and different spelling. But when you read both the words male and male, it sounds same. We'll see the next one. So what do you see here? One and one. One and one. So in both the words, you can see both the words are same. In the spellings, no. This is the both are the different spellings and different meanings. So one means to win something. Yes, to win. In a race, if you will got the first prize, so you won. And that is one. Only one means it's a numerical number. So one. When you read both the words, it sounds same, but they have different spellings and different meanings. Now what do you see here? It's a pizza, yummy pizza, yes? It's a whole pizza. In the next picture, hole in a bucket, hole is there. So when you will read whole and whole, it sounds same, but both the words have different meaning and different spellings. This whole means full pizza. I like to eat full pizza. I like to eat whole pizza. And then whole means it's a hollow, small hollow, opening in the bucket. So both the words, when you will read, it sounds same, but their meaning and their spelling are different. We'll see the next one. So what do you see here? It's a desert. And the next picture, desert. So when you will read both the words desert and desert are sounds same. The words sound same, but both the words have different spellings. Can you see here in this desert, double S is there. In the desert, only single S is there. So both the spellings are different, but when you will read this both the words, it sounds same, and both have different meanings. This desert means it's a sweet dish, yes, and whereas the desert means it's a sandy place. Where you will see the desert? In a Rajasthan, yes, it's a sandy place. So both, when you will read both the words, you sound similar, but when you will see both the words have different meaning and different spellings. What do you see here? It's a 8 and 8. 8 and 8, when you will read, it sounds same. but both of them have different meaning and different spellings. Can you see in this? 8EIGHT and 8ATE. When you will read, it sounds same. But when you will see, both the words are different with each other. Meanings also different and spellings also different. 8 is a numerical number, whereas 8 means you have eat. You have ate something. So students, hope you all of you understood this topic very well. Words that sound same. That means in English the words that sound same, but they have the words have different spelling and different meanings. When you will read, when you will pronounce the words, it sounds same, but their spellings and their meanings are totally different with each other. So let's do one activity so you can understand the topic better. So what do you see here? Sun. Yes? So similar, what will come? Guess any idea? I will show a picture to you. So which picture you see here? Yes, correct. Sun. So this sun and that sun is different. Yes or no? Different. When you will read the words sun and sun, the words, the sounds are same, but the spellings and their meanings are different. We'll see the next one. So what do you see here? Right. Any guess? So which similar word will come to this? What do you see in this picture? Yes, correct. Right. Right and right. When you will read both the words, it sounds same, but their meaning and their spellings are different. This right means correct, means your answer is right, and that right means something you are writing. Yes? We'll see the next one. What do you see here? Plane. Guess any similar word to this plane? Yes, it's a plane. This plane and this plane, when you will read, it sounds same, but both the words have different meaning and different spellings. Yes, P-L-A-I-N, plane. Plane means it's a plain paper. Nothing is written on that paper. And the second one, P-L-A-N-E, is a plane. Plane is aeroplane. Yes. So when you will read both the words, it sounds same, but both the words have different meaning and different spelling. We'll see the next one. So what do you see here? Is sneezing. Flu. Guess what the birds? Birds flew away. Yes? Yes. Flew. So when you will read, both the words sound same, but their spellings and the meanings are different. What do you see here? The child is telling bye-bye to her mother. So guess by seeing the picture, if you will go in a shop. So why you are going to shop? To buy something. Yes, very good. Buy and buy. When you will read both the sentences, both the words, it sounds same, but their meanings are different. See, buy means if you are going somewhere, so you are saying bye-bye to your mama. Yes or no? And that buy, if you will go to shop something to buy. Yes? So when you will read both the words sound same, but their meanings and the spellings are different. Now what do you see here? The girl is blowing the candles. So any other guess, any similar word? Which color are different. Blue and blue. So children, hope all of you understood this topic very well. Words that sound same but both the words have different meanings and different spellings. So this blue and this blue, when you will read this both the words, it sounds same. In English, when you will read the words, it sounds same, it sounds similar, but their meaning and their spellings are different. For example, when you will read this both the words blue and blue, it sounds same, but their spelling, see this blue and that blue is a different and their meaning is also different. That blue is a color, name of a color, whereas this blue means when you will blow the candles. Yes? So when you will read the words in English, that words that sound same but their meanings and their spellings are different. So hope all of you understood this topic very well. Thank you.